14 simple tips to make yoga a part of your daily routine in 2023. Yoga is a practice that can be incorporated into daily life in a variety of ways. Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. Some people choose to practice yoga in a more structured way, by attending yoga classes or workshops, or by practicing at home with the guidance of a DVD or online video. Others may choose to incorporate more casual, less formal practices into their daily routine, such as taking a few minutes to stretch or do some deep breathing exercises during the day. Here are a few suggestions for ways to incorporate yoga into your daily routine. 1. Set aside a specific time each day for a more formal yoga practice. This could be in the morning, before bed, or at any other time that works best for you. 2. Practice a few simple stretches or poses throughout the day. For example, you might take a few minutes to do a standing forward bend or a downward facing dog stretch during your lunch break. 3. Incorporate breathing exercises into your daily routine. Taking a few deep breaths can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. 4. Use yoga as a way to relax and de-stress after a long day. A restorative yoga practice or a few minutes of meditation can help you to unwind and let go of any tension you may be carrying. 5. Find a yoga class or workshop that fits into your schedule. Attending a class can be a great way to get guidance and support from a trained instructor, and it can also be a fun and social way to practice. 6. Use a yoga app or online video to practice at home. There are many yoga apps and online resources that offer a variety of classes and practices that you can do at home at your own pace. 7. Use yoga as a way to start or end your day. A short morning practice can help to energize and focus the mind, while an evening practice can help to relax and prepare for sleep. 8. Combine yoga with other forms of exercise. Many people find that incorporating yoga into their regular fitness routine can help to improve flexibility, balance, and overall physical well-being. 9. Make time for relaxation and meditation. While the physical postures, asanas, are an important aspect of yoga, the practice also includes relaxation and meditation techniques that can help to calm the mind and reduce stress. 10. Experiment with different styles of yoga to find what works best for you. There are many different styles of yoga, including Hatha, Vinyasa, Yin, and many others, each with its own unique focus and approach. 11. Use props and modifications as needed. If you are new to yoga or have any physical limitations, using props such as blocks, straps, or blankets can help you to modify poses and find a comfortable, supportive alignment. 12. Make yoga a part of your daily self-care routine. In addition to the physical benefits of yoga, the practice can also be a great way to prioritize your own well-being and take some time for yourself each day. 13. Consider incorporating yoga into your work routine. Even if you don't have time for a full practice, you can still incorporate some yoga elements into your workday, such as taking a few deep breaths or doing some simple stretches during breaks. 14. Find a yoga community. Whether it's a local studio or an online group, connecting with other people who are interested in yoga can be a great way to stay motivated and inspired. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and to make yoga a part of your daily routine in a way that feels sustainable and enjoyable. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com.